Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick review, I'm going to be reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Master. So whether you should purchase it or skip it, this is what we will be trying to find out in this video. So as you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com and this particular vacuum robot received 4.2 stars rating, out of which 66% gave it 5 stars and 13% people gave it 4-star rating. This is also rated by 94 people, so you just have to simply click on it, and from here you can see the real-time images of this particular vacuum. You can even read the reviews, what people are saying about it, why are they liking the product. If you see any 1-star or 2-star rating, you can even read further why are they not liking the product, and then you can make the informed decision for yourself whether you should purchase it or not. You can even seek help from Reddit in this regard. You can come to Reddit and you can ask the question, or you can even read the comments underneath this particular video or this section. So over here you just have to read the reviews, and it will really help you to make up your mind whether you should go for it or not. For the features of it, what you can do is you can simply come to the official landing page of it, and here you can learn more about it, or I will put the link of Amazon down in the description, so you can go ahead and check out the features. So in this about this item section, if I talk about the pricing, then it comes at $1,199.99. So if it is coming under your budget, then you can definitely go ahead. In it you can get 10,000 PA suction and all of these perks and benefits. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.